Hello again. Okay, I will start in a minute, but before we do that, I will start in a minute, but before we do that, okay, if you have a question or if you want to buy some more books or DVDs or you have friends or relatives are interested, go to visit my zoomintomath.com website. Zoom into math.com. Zoomintomath.com. zoomintomath.com. Let me do it in a neater way. Zoom into math. I love this title. My daughter and my son chose this title. My son Shadi and my daughter Fatima. Shadi and Fatima. I love those kids very much. Those are my two beautiful kids. They also go to, one of them go to middle school and my daughter goes to high school. They use my videos, they use my book, and it did help them out a lot. Anyway, let's start with decimals. How's that? But before we do that, let's give me a 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. 1. One more. 2. One more. 3. All right. All right. Give me, before we start, let's have 10 jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah! All right, all right. Are you guys excited like I am? All right. Now, we have decimals. Okay? We have decimals to go through in this video. Decimals. Okay. Now, first point I want you to know in this video is like this. What about this number here? Does it have a decimal point? Does it have a decimal point? It doesn't look like it has a decimal point, but it does. It does have a decimal. Any number like this, 2, 6, 5, etc., 100, 1000, all of these has decimal point. All of these has decimal point. 2 has decimal point, 2.0. This one is the same like 2. This one is like the same as 6. This one the same as 5. This one is the same as 100. So they just take it out in case there is only one real number. 2, 6, 5, 100. But in an actual mathematical way, it does have a decimal point. Anyway, this is the first point. This is the first point. Now, how do we add decimals? We have 5.02, for example, plus 2.3, for example. That's how we add decimals. Okay, you just line up the decimals like this, and then you add like regular addition. 2, 0 and plus 3 is 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. And the decimal point goes down here. That's how you do decimals. Let's do another example first. We have, let's say, 3.113 plus 1 point, let's say, 72. How is that? We just line them up, the decimals, and we add. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 7, 8. And decimal points goes down here. And then you have a 4. So the answer is 4.85 for this and 7.32 for this. So we have two locations. This is the first location. This is the second location after the decimal point. And same thing here. That's how we add decimals. Now, how we subtract decimals is the same thing, but we just subtract instead of add, right? So how we multiply? Multiply and divide is the trick here. Okay, so how about if we multiply 3.02 times 1.11, for example? How we do is that? Well, let's assume there is no decimal point in both ways. 3, take it out for a second. Imagine there is no decimal point. That's how I do it. 302 times 111. Times 111. Now, 302 times 111 is 33352. I'm sorry, 33522. 33522. Okay, so how many? This is not the final answer. What about the decimal point? We have to weight it back. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 locations after the decimal point in both numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 in both locations. You have to add how many locations in both numbers, and then we start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is your answer here. And we put the decimal point right here. So the answer is 3 decimal point 3522.